We tried to get into the beach, they are not allowing.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your host Keith. You're watching Wild Hack. So in today's video, I'm going to have a small sort of ride. It's been a long while. I've not met any of my friends, so I'm just going to Juhu and meet Levi. So it's just going to be a small sort of ride. Ideally, chai ka bahana hai like.
So here we are. Let's quickly start and see if it starts on the first go. Oh great. Now we are heading to Juhu. It's very humid, around 10ish as well. I was supposed to leave early in the morning, like around 8. Not very early, but yeah, around 8 o'clock. But then, ho gaya late, and the time is, he is calling me Levi. (10:21). So we're already running late. It's around 10 minutes. I guess in the next 10 minutes I will reach on a small sort of ride in the traffic of Mumbai. And whoa, Mumbai is back again with the traffic. The signals are on and the people are back on the road with the mask, which is good sign. So yes, I just hope that we find a cure for the disease and the life will be normal again. And also guys, there's a lot of negativity that is going on, and people are being carried away, and a lot of things are happening. I don't want to talk about it, but yes guys, please try to spread positivity by talking to your friends. Keep in touch with everyone. In case if they are depressed or sad, try to motivate them. These are basic things guys, everyone knows about it. The situation is very bad, and when you are all alone indoors, there's a lot of thoughts that come to your mind. So you just need to overcome those thoughts, and the way is by ideally what I do, I'll just share my sort of experience. When I'm bored and when I'm depressed sort of thing, I ideally treat myself like I love to go for a ride, and or visit a place, you know, like where it's more green. So I just love to go out, travel. You can listen to a good sort of music that will refresh you. Anything what you like, you try to do and divert your mind. Talk to your friends. So that is what I will say. ज़्यादा ज्ञान नहीं बांटूंगा, पर जो भी है. After a long time, so it's been a long time that I haven't come out. I've not gone out of my area. I was just like in my area, but after a long time I've just moved out. And yes, it is very refreshing, but I can't do this every day. It's just once in a while when I feel like, and this is just because I just wanted to meet my friends. I haven't met any of my friends from the time the lockdown has happened, so I just got an opportunity today, and I'm going to meet Levi, who's waiting for me, and in fact calling me. Just going to meet him, and after meeting him, then we'll head back home. I just hope if I can show you all the Juhu beach if possible. near the Juhu Church, and the Juhu Church is being renovated. As you can see, काम चल रहा है renovation का. Here it is, St. Joseph Church, Juhu. So finally we have arrived, and now where's my team? So a cup of chai, that's the reason why I've come in out here. The taste of this tea is quite different, and the way he makes it is really different. So that is the reason why I keep coming to this place. So now we are planning to go to the beach. Let's see how it works out. So I can just give you a glance of how the beach is after the lockdown. So ideally I'm come out here for a ride, but I'm ending up purchasing vegetables. Got a handful of vegetables out here. So I've just been to check if the dhaba is open where I ideally come to Juhu. I always go to the Philip Ka dhaba. If you haven't seen the video, you can just check out the link in the I button. And now we are heading towards Juhu, the Juhu beach. Let's see how the beach is after the lockdown. So we are in Juhu beach right now after a long time, and just have a look, guys. How it is. So this is how it is. So ideally we try to get into the beach. They are not allowing to go to the beach. I guess earlier they were allowing, but right now they are not allowing, and you have to be behind the barricades. You can have a view, but you can't go to the beach. That is what the cops out here are saying, and it's restrictions. So it's cleaner, but you can't go to the beach. So we are at Juhu beach right now. It's high tide. We are not supposed to move out to the beach, so we are restricted. So I've just been here. They've just given me 2 minutes to show you the beach. So here it is, Juhu beach. I know it's blowing. I don't know whether you will be able to hear me, but it's very clean and very less people out here because of the high tide. They are not allowing people to come out here, but it's very nice. It's blowing and it's really refreshing, guys. This is what I wanted. I was not allowed, but then I just seek permission, and they just told me just for a couple of minutes, 5 minutes of your time, and that's it. They told me not to go close to the beach. So this is the view, guys. I hope you all are enjoying this view. So that is it. Just hope you all enjoy this vlog. That is how it is looking out, guys. We are at Novotel right now. This is the Novotel hotel, and it's very humid right now. It's very humid. The conditions, it's breezy. So that's it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. I'm not quite sure you all enjoyed it, but I just hope you all enjoyed the view. Please do comment, subscribe, and hit the like button. This is your host Keith signing off.